if I came across a friend and I wanted to share with them how amazing CCU was, I'd say just forget everything that you've ever learned about church. And let's start there.
Well, I think it's important to come and try. Just come and visit. This is how I started.
CCU is different, and CCU is one of those spiritual communities, and it's more than just church. And it's bigger and more open, and it's like a little family.
I think that as people begin to break with tradition and move toward the real understanding of what they need in terms of religious training, religious seeking, they are going to find CCU.
So I'm sitting in a pew and I have somebody who practices Buddhism to my right and somebody who grew up Christian to my left, and it's all good. So that was awesome. So without being coined the interfaith spiritual community, it is.
So every time I come in, I feel that sense of community, the sense of taking care of each other, not only physically, but also spiritually and emotionally.
To come every Sunday and to hear a different topic, the things that you talk about, the meditation, the love, the sharing, all of those things are very important that I have really, really enjoyed.
I've learned a lot about myself and why I react the way I react to certain situations, to certain people, and I have become a better person.
I really love especially coming every Saturday and doing the outreach, and it's a way to get back to the community, and it feels really awesome.
We all are a child of God, and this is the part that makes me comfortable because I have a gay son. My son John is gay. And so because of that, I love everyone, and it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter because God loves us all.
It allows you to express yourself with freedom. There's no anxiety about chitty-chatting about anything. For the most part, it gives you a freedom to be yourself. And that's probably, it's probably the best thing about CCU. It allows you to be you.
I had kind of given up on religions, but didn't give up on my faith. And when I came here, this spiritual community gave me a spiritual home back. It gave me a spiritual community, and it gave me a spiritual path once again.